Hi, I'm Becky Moller. Welcome to today's Daily Sit. This is a practice I call finding your center, and it's one of the most foundational tools I teach in my Undone framework for mindful living and trauma-informed healing. I recommend doing this one sitting down in a quiet location where you feel comfortable and safe. What is finding your center? Put simply, the idea of finding your center is that when you're centered in yourself, when you're present, when you're connected to the higher self, the capital S self, part of you, that's when you make the healthiest choices. That's when you feel the best and most balanced inside yourself. And that's when you're most available for loving relationships with other people. So when we find ourselves stressed out or dysregulated, the simplest move to make isn't to get lost in the logistics of the problem. The simplest move is to find and return to our own center. Once we're centered, calm, and clear, we usually find that our next right step arises naturally, without a struggle, and we're able to take it with confidence. So this practice is specifically going to help you find and deepen that centered state of awareness. It's a great practice to use when you can tell you're spinning or you know that you need to deal with something hard, but you need to find your center first. We'll be using my model here for finding your center, where I break down what it feels like in mind, body, and spirit to be centered. You'll simply focus on your breath and follow my cues. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently. We'll begin with the body. With each inhale, we'll invite a centered quality. With each exhale, we'll release its opposite. And then we'll ground that quality with the next breath. Just relax, follow my cues, and try to keep yourself nice and open. Gently focus on the body. Inhale, relaxation. Exhale, tension. Inhale, I am open and relaxed. Exhale, anchor that relaxed space into the body. Inhale, flexibility. Exhale, rigidity. Inhale, I am flexible and open. Exhale, anchor flexibility into the body. Inhale, connection. And exhale, isolation. Inhale, I am connected. And exhale, anchor that feeling of connection into the tissues of the body. Inhale, acceptance. And exhale, control. Inhale, I accept what is. I allow life to unfold. And exhale, anchoring that feeling of acceptance into the tissues of the body. Inhale, openness and freedom. And exhale, release any feeling or sensation of being closed or trapped. Inhale, I am open and free. Exhale to anchor that feeling of openness and freedom into the body. Inhale, alignment. And exhale, releasing any misalignment in the bones, muscles, and tissues. Inhaling, I am aligned. And exhaling to anchor the sensation of alignment into the tissues of the body. Inhale, flow through the body. And exhale, release any blocks or stuckness, particularly in the GI tract, the sleep function, the sex function. Inhale, I am in sync in my body's systems of flow. And exhale to anchor the sensation of alignment and flow into the functional systems of the body. Beautiful body work. For a moment, let's just breathe and notice what your body feels like when it is centered, when it is present. Great work. Now we'll work with mind. Inhale, create space in the mind, and exhale, releasing any focus on self. Inhale, I am one in a human family. And exhale, any hooks of self-focused narratives in the mind. Inhale, curiosity in the mind. And exhale to release any fixed opinion. Inhale, I am open and curious. Exhale, any hooks of closed opinions or judgments. Inhale, clarity in the mind. Exhale to release any chaos or confusion. Inhale, I am clear. I am calm. Exhale to anchor clarity and calm in the space of the mind. Inhale presence through the mind. And exhale to release any hooks of past or future. Inhale, I am here in my body, in the present moment. Exhale to anchor, I am safe, I am home. Now inhale, focused intention. And exhale, release any sense of aimless browsing. Inhaling to create that space for focused intention to fill the mind. And exhale, restlessness of the mind. Inhale, compassion. And exhale, release any judgment in your thought patterns. Inhaling space to fill with compassion. Exhaling to release or dissolve any lingering judgment that might be there. Beautiful mind work. For a moment, just notice that space of mind and how it feels when your mind is calm, clear, and centered. Now finally, we'll center our spirit. So focus your attention on the space around your heart. Let your exhale soften the muscles here and warm the heart space. Inhale, aliveness of the heart. And exhale, release any dull or deadened energy from the heart space. Inhale, my heart is awake, alive. Exhale, anchor the aliveness in the cells of the heart. Inhale, awareness of the heart. And exhale to release any sense of resistance to feeling. Inhale, awareness through the heart. Exhale, resistance and fear from the heart. Inhale, ease into the heart space. And exhale to release effort, any sense of trying or grasping. Inhale and float ease into the heart space. Exhale, release and dissolve any efforting through the heart. Inhale, trust into the heart space. Exhale to soften and release any fear or self-protection in the walls of the heart. Inhale and expand trust. Exhale, fear. Release self-protection. Inhale, empowered ownership through the heart space. Exhale, release any victim feelings from the heart. Inhale, empowered ownership and choice. Exhale, powerlessness and victimhood. Inhale, willingness through the heart space. Exhale, release fear or resistance of the heart. Inhale, I offer a willing heart. I open my heart to feel. And exhale to feel the ground beneath you and allow the heart, the mind, the body to rest. Thank you for practicing finding your center with me today. If this practice served you or piqued your curiosity, check out my other daily sit on finding your center in a more practical or logistical way. It goes hand in hand with this one. Namaste.